Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to discuss with you guys this slight correction that we're having. And a lot of people, I'm reading a lot of comments online saying that this is the end and etc. That, people are very, very sensitive right now. So I wanted to discuss as to the reasons why we actually had this dump, which actually was quite substantial, from 66,000 down to 59,000, and how important it is and whether it is only the beginning of the downside move. So there are actually two reasons. One of the reasons is possibly, you will not believe it, it's possibly that the market is currently fearful of what HBO has uncovered about the potential founder and creator and who is of Bitcoin and who is the Satoshi Nakamoto. So all in due time. Let's just get straight into this. If you look at a chart, we're still in this danger zone. I told you up to October 15th, we still are in this danger zone in accordance to the AI analysis and all the neural networks, etc. But overall, we are being supported right now by 60K. And 60K, to be honest, is very important. And actually, if we were to come back and retest 60, which is what just happened, it looks actually quite beautiful. So if we actually continue and retest 70K from here, it would actually look quite nice. On other hand, Ethereum, cannot say it's as nice, but again, this, it's just as I thought. I didn't think it's as I told you. I don't think it's going to just pump in straight line. This is going to take a while. So right now we actually kind of arguably got supported by this, well, almost pink support here at like 2,300. And to be honest, this is all I care about. If we just swing about, just retest it, and then finally take off after the 15th of October, it would be absolutely fantastic. But now, what happened? What are the reasons? Well, you already know the answer. It is the situation in Israel, and Iran has actually attacked Israel directly. So, and now everybody's waiting for World War III and blah, blah, blah. But quite frankly, what I think about this is quite obvious, and it is on the surface. And before I tell you guys, remember that I'm personally trading over on Bybit, and with my exclusive link that you can find down in the description of this video, you can claim up to $30,000 initial deposit bonuses, and most importantly, a 42% discount on trading fees. And if you already have a Bybit account, you can create a new one using a different form of identification, such as driver's license, and use these benefits to your advantage. And I'm gonna also leave a link in the description of this video, as well as in the pinned comment, to WSOT. It's a huge trading competition that actually has $10 million in prize pools. And just by joining it, you get like $70. So, and I'm going to leave a link to my squad down in the description of this video so you can actually join us. And there are the huge tiers of different bonuses, and by just joining it, you can also get something real cool. So check it out. All the information is down here, and it's just something that you can use to maximize. Just have some fun and maximize your trading results in the community. So link down in the description of this video. Now, going back to this situation here, in my opinion, is that this has a long, and so many, when we've seen this and Bitcoin goes down to 60,000, I receive so many DMs from you guys in particular, from my friends. WhatsApp is exploding saying, Tom, is this Bitcoin going to 30,000 because it's World War III? Now, what I always say to all my friends that, listen, this has been going on. Certainly, war can be considered as a black swan event. That is true. But if you think about it for just a second, for example, if you look at the Russian war, when they invaded Ukraine, it was kind of a surprise. So we had a big dip in the market. Here, it's obvious. It's been happening for so long, and for the most part, any escalation has been priced in. Well, 90% of it, except for maybe nuclear escalation. So when I saw this happening, I knew that the correction will not be severe. So again, Ethereum, yeah, but Bitcoin, we came down to 60K, so that's what, like 10%? No big deal. I don't think that because of Israel or Iran that we're gonna see a dump to, I don't know, 43,000. I just don't believe it. It could be something else though. And that something else is quite an interesting theory. And before I give it to you, I wanted just to point out the obvious that right now, as Bitcoin dips below 60K, it actually has sparked the largest exchange buying since 2022. So if we look at all the numbers right now, we're going to see that the amount of Bitcoin being taken off the exchanges is pretty crazy. So BlackRock keeps accumulating, all the ETFs, all the big players, whales, Bitcoin is just flowing off exchanges. So the price, yeah, it is probably going to go down in history is the most boring, is the most ridiculous, is the most frustrating accumulation before the bull run, because here we didn't have this, and previously there were some, I mean, this was just the bear market. When the bear market was over, we were just going up. Same thing here, look, mostly just going up, but this here with this, oh my god, and up and down and huge volatility, just kicking people the hell out. This is gonna just go down in history as the hardest time to actually survive this. So if you're still here, congratulations, you're actually quite strong. And I'm telling you, give it another few weeks, October 15th. By that time, if we don't go up, I just don't know anymore. So yeah, and just everything is evident. Everything is based on, you know, facts. So now let's discuss one more reason that could actually be behind the dip in Bitcoin, and this is here. Again, it's questionable, but it could be. So right now, the new HBO documentary claims to have cracked the true identity of Satoshi Nakamoto, and the big reveal is set to air on Wednesday at 6:30 a.m. Eastern time. And could it be just marketing? Maybe. Maybe they've uncovered something really serious, something that people are afraid of. Could it be the case? Also, yes. So the only way to find out, we're going to have to wait for next Wednesday. And I just made an advertisement for HBO, so maybe that was their plan all along. So I cannot tell you, but we'll see what happens. I just wanted to let you guys know of it because it is quite interesting. So, but technically, all that we care about, we stay above 60K. They maybe jog along in this vicinity and finally start taking off to the upside. And this is where we are at. M2 money supply is curving everything, elections, all of it. And Democrats are not going to let the markets crash too much just because they're going to lose an election. They already are losing. Trump is leading again. So stay smart, look at the facts, and check out this quick tutorial popping up on your screen as to how to trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies with proper risk and money management. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.